Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure on how to leave a product review on Amazon. So to leave a product review on Amazon, you first have to purchase that product. Only then you will be able to review the product. So basically what you need is open up your Amazon application and log into your account, right? So once you open up your Amazon, then what you want to do is you just need to go ahead and tap on the profile initials at the bottom left corner and go to the order section. So here, once you've got your order or once you've actually bought the items, now what you just need is just go to the product section, and then here you just want to go ahead and click on the review button. You'll be able to find this review this item, something like that. You just want to go ahead and click on that and then add in your review. You could also give it a rating and all that stuff. Write the honest review, what you actually want to convey the message. And once you've actually left the review, you could click on submit, and this is how you will be able to leave a product review on Amazon. So with that, we've come to an end. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.